Hey, Eden. Yeah, sure. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I was at a company event for breakfast, and see you.
So I just have one thing to tell you. Thanks for coming. But you're hosting this episode, so I'm gonna leave it up to you. So bye.
Bye. And it's time for school, and let's go. The Stockholm School of Economics is a private business school located in Stockholm, the capital of Sweden. SSE has been creating opportunities for its graduates for over 100 years. Welcome to Episode 7, MSc Careers. Hi friends of SSE, my name is Cindy. I'm from Beijing, China. Now I'm a master student of economics at SSE. One of the reasons that I chose SSE is the amazing cooperation relationships. I just had my breakfast from a company event, and now I'm on my way to another company event for the lunch at Novex. SSE offers 5 different challenging master programs, all taught in English, with a diverse set of students from all over the world. Students can start their careers in the public or the private sectors. Some common careers for graduates are consultancies, investment banking, various management positions at international organizations such as the UN, World Bank, or the IMF, as well as government and foreign services such as embassies and consultants abroad. Also, if you are passionate about starting your own business, SSE Business Lab is a great place for all entrepreneurs. Our lunch lecture is going to begin, and my lunch boxes. This is my favorite part, the lunch, free lunch. Thanks to the business committee for providing us students with so many lunch lectures throughout the year where you can get company-specific insights and free lunch. Hello friends, now we are at the Master Club and we have Linnea. And Linnea, please introduce yourself.
I'm Linnea. I'm a first-year master student here at SSE. I study finance, and yes, I'm part of Master Club. And Master Club is basically a project that aims to integrate master students at the school. And we do that by hosting parties and other sort of activities. So yeah, that's really fun.
Oh yeah. Well, and what job opportunities do master students can get?
A lot. We have career fairs, I think 3 of them. And also a mentorship program, which you can sign up to if you want to. And as a finance student, you get assigned a coach, which is also very valuable.
Oh, that's pretty nice. And what do you plan to do in the future?
I don't know. I have been working at Handelsbanken for a few years, which has been fun, but I'm really open to explore different options, and that is why I really enjoy walking on the career fairs. And also I actually had my first coach meeting yesterday, and that was really interesting. I was blown away by how he could help, and he also helped me look at my CV and stuff like that. So
that's pretty nice.
It's really nice to have.
Yeah. And now I'm also in the mentorship program, and yeah, I will meet my mentor in the future, and I'm very excited for that.
Have you been assigned a mentor? Or?
Not yet, but I wrote my proposals and my brief introduction about myself and what I want to do in the future. Yes.
What do you want to do in the future?
Actually, Although my major is economics, I want to find a job in a creative industry, so I need a mentor to tell me what's the really creative industry is about and what job opportunities can I find. Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
And I really want to show you more about this, but I really do need to get back to my study. So thank you for watching this episode, and hope you got some insights about the career opportunities of master students at SSE.